Shalom, shalom. Brother Yehonatan here. Work, 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 man. This stuff don't stop, man. I had getting some more work done to this road, trying to get it together. Getting my drain ditches dug today. My runoff ditches, so all this good rock and dirt don't just wash away. Had a big rain out here recently. It's all muddy and stuff out here, man. Ugh. We got some water there. Got John up there on the excavator. So one of my co-workers he said, man, you know, for all that money you spent on that property, you know, you could have just went and bought you a little house in St. Louis. He said, all the money you putting into this property, you could just went and got you a house in St. Louis. I said, bruh, you know how much land I got? I said, you know how many houses I could put on my land? I said, I could build my house. I could build houses for all of my children. I could build houses for my children's children, all on my property. I said, you know, that's what people been messing up at, is buying these houses in these cities, in these little communities, right? I said, you get a small little plot of land with a house on it, right? The house is so close together, you look out your window, you literally looking into your neighbor's window. And then on top of that, you know, you can't even really do what you want to do on your own property, right? You got the HOA, right? You got the city ordinances. You know, the city, they gonna come out and they gonna say, oh, well, you can't do this, you can't do that, or you gotta take this down, you gotta move this. I told that brother, I said, man, I could do whatever I want to do on my property. I told him, every time I go out to my property, you know, should we having target practice, I ain't got to worry about nobody calling the cops, right? I ain't got to worry about the neighbors, you know, being scared of calling the police, talking about they hearing gunshots. Cause shoot, all my neighbors, they doing target practice on their property too. And I can't even see my neighbors. Look around. Right? Look around. Not a neighbor in sight. This is all my property, man. For real, for real. Everything you can see right here. And my property stretches back, man, for another 600, 700 feet. Right? This is where it's at right here. This the new wave right here, man. For real. All them little nice little condos and stuff like that, sky rises, right? Little houses in little subdivision community with the gated community with the security guard sitting up at the front of the neighborhood. That's played, man. Right? This right here the new, man. And on my own security. You know what I'm talking about? And on my own security. I don't need nobody sitting up at the gate, right? All I gotta do is put trespassing sign, no trespassing sign up, right? You better have an invite before you come over here. You better call before you come. That might not go too well for you. Better be expecting you. Let me see. I think I saw some deer tracks out here earlier. I know I seen some deer tracks. Let me see if I can show you. There go a little one now. That's a track. That's some type of track. Hunting. We hunting right here on the property. Let's see. Inheritance for the children, right? My sons gonna inherit this. Then they sons gonna inherit this. I mean, sure, it's a lot of work, but you know what, man? If you do what's easy, your life gonna be hard. And if you do what's hard, eventually your life will get easier, right? You'll really be able to enjoy and see the fruits of your labor, right? I look forward to, you know, y'all willing growing old on this property right here, watching my sons grow up, watching my sons carry on the vision, carry on my vision, right? Because if you die and your vision dies with you, then that means your vision wasn't big enough. You did what I'm saying? Like, we were getting sons and daughters, man. We were getting sons and daughters created in our image and in our likeness. You dig? We were getting sons and created in our image and in our likeness, right? So then not only do they look like us, but they act like us, they think like us, right? They're gonna grow up, y'all willing, they're gonna grow up and they're gonna carry on the torch, right? How many men doing that? How many brothers is doing that? Raising up sons who follow in their footsteps, right? I mean, that's the only way we're gonna really be able to build something, you know? If every generation is starting over, you ain't gonna get nowhere. You're not gonna get nowhere. You're not gonna make no real progress if every generation got to start over, right? We got to build something. We got to leave it to the children, and then the children got to take it and they got to run with it. And then they children got to pick it up and run with it. And over a few generations, we can look back and see what we built. That's what it's about. All praises to the Most High. Call Allah Yahweh Ba'ashima Mashak Yahushai. Call Allah Yahweh Ba'ashima Mashak Yahushai. Call Allah Yahweh Ba'ashima Mashak Yahushai. Oh yeah, and we facing east right now. Hallelujah. 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 We facing east right now, you know. Israel praying towards the east, right? Towards Jerusalem, right? You see the sun right there coming up over that hillside over there. Yeah, that's the east. All praises to the Most High. Call Allah Yahweh Ba'ashima Mashak Yahushai. Tawadah Yahweh. Barakatah Yahweh Ba'ashima Mashak Yahushai. Barak Hashem. Tawadiyah. Shalom. So now John is about to pull out a couple of these big boys right here and just lay them along here so that I could come back through here with a chainsaw and chop some of it up. That's dangerous right there, you know. That big pile of trees is, you know, some of them is all caught up in the bind and stuff, so trying to go in there and you know, chainsaw it up could be really dangerous. Could get hurt doing stuff like this here. So he's gonna pull some of them out and then lay them across this way and make it a little easier for me to come in there with a chainsaw and chop some of it up. Chainsaw some of it up. I'll have to come in here and do some leveling to the ground back here behind this tree pile. From back here to right there is probably a 2-foot difference, right? And really, you know, I'm only thinking about the safety of my children. You know, they don't want to get out here and run around and stuff. It's not absolutely necessary that I level it out, but just for them to be able to come out here and run and, you know, not trip and be tumbling down the hill, you know. He drug and he pushed over the burns on this side so that the water would wash that way instead of into the road. And then this is a whole ditch here that I'm walking in. progress, little bit by little. So this ditch runs out into this road here, this first initial road that I had done. See that coming out into here, and then it's gonna just wash along the side of the road and then out that way. I gotta come back in here and collect these rocks. And he placed those two there to slow down the water. You see all these rocks up in here? I gotta come and grab these rocks and place them alongside the road here to slow the water down, right? Slow down the speed of the water so it don't drag the gravel with it. Yeah, you know, we did good work today, right? We did good work today. And then that's where the water's gonna flow down the hill, down through there. All praises to the Most High. Call Allah Yahweh by Shema Mashak Yahushai. Call Allah Yahweh by Shema Mashak Yahushai. Call Allah Yahweh by Shema Mashak Yahushai. Hallelujah. It was cold this morning, but it warmed up though. Yeah. Hallelujah. Till next time, brothers and sisters. Shalom. I gotta come back up here with my truck and just try to mat it down a little bit. Mat it down some more. It's gonna take a couple. It's very soft in certain spots. Like look right here. Right. So it's gonna take some time for this road to get right. Shalom.